and welcome to this series of videos to help you study your physics. Okay, and this is just a very short video to help you introduce this topic and, after all, why we study it. Why do we study physics? Well, to start off with, it could be that you are studying physics because you have no choice. Physics is a compulsory subject that you must and absolutely have to study at school and pass from your exams, etc. Oh my god. Well, this may be true, but while you're at it, why not make the best out of it? Open your mind and use this opportunity to learn, and there is a lot to learn from studying physics. How curious are you? Human beings in general are curious, very curious. Curiosity is good because it helps you to explore. Physics helps us to satisfy this curiosity because it helps us to understand things that happen around us, not only in our world, but also across the whole universe. Let's have a look at some simple examples. Have you ever wondered why we walk on the floor and not on the ceiling? When you are in a car, bus or train or whatever, and all of a sudden the vehicle stops, what happens to you? You move forward, in fact. Why does that happen? Why don't you just stop like the rest of the vehicle? I'm sure that you know about things which float on water and other things which sink in water. Maybe while playing at the pool, at the sea, in the bath, whatever. Right? I'm sure you've experimented with a lot of things. For instance, a piece of wood would float, while a piece of iron would easily sink. So if that is the case, why would a ship, which is made from so much metal, still float? Our sun is a giant ball of fire constantly undergoing many huge explosions. So if this is the case, how come we don't hear any of them? We're not that far away from the sun. What do you think? Of course, there are harder questions to look into. Some questions, some of which, are still puzzling scientists till this very day. For instance, how did the universe and everything around us start? How did it all begin? And how or when will it all end? Alright? Or even, is there life outside of our planet? Do aliens really exist? Quite interesting. These are only but a few of the many questions that we can ask. There are many more. So it doesn't really matter whether you are studying physics out of your own free will or not. Take this opportunity to learn, look around you, and find many questions that you try to answer. While you're studying physics, you are going to meet many scientists along the way who contributed to this science. People like Einstein, Newton, Marie Curie, just to mention a very few. Spend some time to research on these people, read, see some videos, okay? Because not only will it help you to understand the topics more, but also appreciate their work. Remember that if it weren't for people like these, we wouldn't have the things we have with us today. That's all for this introduction. Okay, thank you for watching.